So we can see over here, I got a 5x5, and over here, I got a 7x7. And in the middle, guess what? I don't have a cube. That's why today, I'm gonna unbox the X-Men Shadow 6x6 and fill up that spot over there. Hi, the Epic Cuber Andrew over here, and you guys might have gotten like these two bizarre notifications from my YouTube channel, and what essentially happened was I kind of left my laptop unattended, and yes, one of my friends decided to prank me, and it kind of went too far. The lesson learned: do not leave your stuff unattended, okay? This is serious. What I think I learned from this is I should be more careful about where I place my, electronic devices, and especially when I leave them like unattended. And when I'm like giving it to another person, I should be like at least looking it over and make sure they're not actually like doing something like inappropriate, like going to my YouTube channel and uploading random videos. Anyways, moving on. So I bought the X-Men Shadow 6x6 plus the Cubicle Compound 10, and they have arrived. So let's unbox it. So let's try out that Cubicle X-Men Shadow 6x6. It's actually pretty smooth. It's actually in fact better than my 5x5. It's kind of like rigid when you turn it, even though it's like decent. But this is just so smooth. Like, it's just such a pleasure to turn it. Okay, well, let's turn the centers. I feel like it's a little bit more slow, which is like totally fine with me. Actually, it has like decent corner cutting. You can see like it actually can corner cut like a bit, like a little bit. I can corner cut actually a little bit, which is really good. For 6x6, you pretty much cannot like you cannot corner cut. I think you might get like a lockup. Here's a lockup, you can see. But it's pretty easy to fix actually. So I'm kind of like excited. I want to get like into like the bigger cubes, especially like 6x6 and 7x7. This is definitely going to help me in this process. I'm going to put this cube into my collection back over there. I also got Compound 10, so you can see over here, it says Compound 10. Yeah, and I'm gonna try it out on some of my cubes that need to be slower, so let's go ahead and try them out. This is the GTS Free M. It's a pretty fast cube, and sometimes a little bit uncontrollable. Let's put some Compound 10 on it. So let's put 2 drops on it and see how it works. Let's mix it. Okay, and let's see. Oh look, like instantly, suddenly you feel like it's starting to slow down, and there isn't like a silicone feel. Okay, so now the loop has broken in, and it's kind of like controlling my cube. It made it like way slower. It kind of like feels like as if someone's like pushing against you every time you turn it. It's almost like kind of like a tug of war just on a cube. It's not sticky at all. I feel like I put like a little bit too much. Now it's kind of like starting to get really hard to turn. So anyways, it's pretty interesting. I just feel like Compound 10 is a great lube for competitions, especially when you're like really excited and a little bit like out of control. Now I can go into 6x6 and even 7x7, and that's gonna be really fun for me. And I hope you found this video enjoyable, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And anyways, bye guys.